Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm actually doing a remake of how to get free Etsy listings for your actual store. So about a month ago, I shared with you guys a video where I talked about having 54,000, you heard it right, free Etsy listings. And today I'm here to share that in 1 month, I have been able to increase it. And now I have 81,376 free Etsy listings for 3 of my major stores. So if you want to learn more on how to get free listings for your Etsy store, please watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be the first one notified of any new videos. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first thing you want to do is grab your free Etsy listing link. And when you share this link with someone else and they open an Etsy store, using your link, you both get 40 free listings. So this is a win for both of you guys. They get 40 free listings and you get 40 free listings. Now, if this is your first time hearing about getting free Etsy listings, then all you need to do is head over to the link that I left below in the comment section. And all you have to do pretty much is log in into your actual Etsy store, click the link, and then you will get a referral link where you could promote it everywhere and anywhere. So you might ask yourself, like, how the heck did she get, I got 81,000 free listings? Well, the secret is just promoting it everywhere that I promote my products and services. So I promote it in my blog, on my YouTube channel, on my Instagram, on my email signature, on Reddit, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, and my favorite place, Pinterest. So you will need to promote it everywhere you promote your products and services, and this will help you get some traction and start getting free listings. The number one source where I get majority of my free listings is from my blog. And I use Pinterest to drive unlimited traffic back to my blog, and then people see the link, they click on it, and they open your stores. But even if you currently don't have a blog, you could start using Pinterest and other social media platforms to start getting free listings for your shop. The key is to start promoting it everywhere, and when you least expect it, you will start getting free listings. So let me know in the comment section if you knew about the free listings and if you're currently promoting it. And if you're struggling with getting free listings, let me know below what you're currently doing, and I'll be more than happy to share additional tips. Thank you guys for watching.